Hey guys, this is Thumbtack. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Thumbtack. Thumbtack is an online directory that allows users to search for, rate, and hire local service providers to work on a variety of personal projects, including home improvement, financial and legal services, and event planning. If you don't have a Thumbtack account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 50% off. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here you see an option for sign up. Click on sign up. To sign up, enter your first name, last name, email address, and the password you wish to use. After entering, click on the Create Account button. That's how you sign up for Thumbtack. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.